Our metamaterial bricks can be 3D printed, and then they can be assembled to form any acoustic field you can imagine.
We want to create acoustic devices that can manipulate sound with the same ease and flexibility with which projectors and liquid crystal displays can manipulate light.
A reconfigurable version of our metamaterial layered system, which I think has got a lot of applications in imaging, where we could make cheaper systems that could be used for example, medical applications or crack detection in engineering structures.